Hi viewers, welcome back to my channel. I am here with another video. Today I am working on the Volvo EC480D excavator. Here you can see his warning is coming: hydraulic system failure. I will press enter. Here you can see this is the button is enter. I press it. So here you can see we check all the information about this warning. This is a fault code, yes, and what is the error code? PWM1941-05. source is a VECU. First event of events are 255 and last event is 21st June 2026. So this code is coming, so I am going to diagnose this fault code. What is the issue? Okay, so be with me. I am going to back side. I check the hydraulic system because this is regarding to hydraulic system. PWM pulse width modulations. Number of that valve is a 9145 and 0 dash is a what is the problem? Okay, what is the issue? Maybe open circuit, short circuit, what is that, whatever is ever. So I will check it. So viewers, now you can see I came to the hydraulic system. It's my hydraulic pump. Okay, this is my hydraulic pump. Okay, here's a two pump. This is first pump, one pump is this, and second one is this one. There's two pump. Okay, you can clearly see. So this is one. This one is my PWM 9141 solenoid. Okay, so I'm going to check the connections. So wow, so you can see this wire is broken here. Okay, so I think this problem is this wire is broken, therefore that warning is coming. So this is the issue. Okay, so this wire is broken, so I will repair this wire. So after repairing this wire, I will check the code has gone or not. Okay, so now I will off camera, I will repair this wire. Okay, so as you can see, I have joined the wire. Okay, so I was lucky one, so I easily found the problem. So now I fix this wire here. I will fix cable tie here properly, joint it, and will go inside the cabin and will check my fault has removed or not. Okay, so as you can see, I properly fixed the wire. Okay, so now I will go inside the cabin and will on the machine and check my code is coming or not. Okay, so I have came inside the cabin. I'm going on the machine. This is my key on switch. Key on. So now machine is on. So which code is coming? Engine array, another code. Okay, I will exit it. So you can see not any code is coming more. I will start. So now I have started the machine. Okay, I will go to the messages. Here's a vehicle message. Okay, enter. They check only one code is coming, engine error. Okay, hydraulic is finished. So now this has another code, so I will also diagnose it. Okay, so my first code is gone. So if you like this video, please don't forget to subscribe my channel and share this video to your friends. Thanks for watching. See you in next video.